Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I will walk you through the updated 2026 process for checking in online with Qatar Airways and downloading your boarding pass directly to your phone. Let's get started. Before we begin, remember that online check-in for Qatar Airways opens 48 hours before your flight, or 24 hours if you are flying to or from the United States. It closes 90 minutes before departure. First, download the official Qatar Airways application from the App Store or Google Play. You can also follow these exact steps on their website, but the app is the easiest way to keep your boarding pass handy. Open the app. On the home screen, tap the check-in button, or tap the menu icon in the top right corner and select check-in. Next, tap on Add Your Booking. You will need two pieces of information to proceed. First is your booking reference, which is a 6-character code, and second is your last name, exactly as it appears on your passport. Alternatively, you can use your e-ticket number. If you have a printed itinerary, you can save time by simply scanning the QR code using your phone's camera. Once you enter your details, tap Add Trip. The app will pull up your flight information. Here you can confirm your passenger details, add your Privilege Club frequent flyer number, and select or change your seat. Review your choices and complete the check-in. Finally, the app will generate your digital boarding pass. Simply tap Download or select the option to add it to your digital wallet for easy offline access at the airport. If you have checked bags, just head to the fast bag drop counter when you arrive at the terminal. That is it. A simple and seamless process. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to ClearTask for more quick and professional tutorials. Safe travels!